Firewood information. Firewood refers to wood that is used as fuel for fires. It can come from a variety of tree species, such as oak, maple, birch, ash, or pine, and it is typically harvested from trees that have been felled for other purposes or from dead trees. Some key information about firewood includes moisture content. Firewood should ideally have a moisture content of less than 20% to burn efficiently and produce less smoke. Wood that is too wet can also be difficult to ignite. Seasoning. Firewood should be properly seasoned, or dried, before it is burned. This typically involves storing the wood in a dry, ventilated area for at least 6 months to a year. Size and shape. Firewood should be cut to a size and shape that is appropriate for the fireplace or stove being used. Smaller pieces are often better for indoor use, while larger pieces are more suitable for outdoor fires. Type of wood. Different types of wood have different burning characteristics and heat output. Hardwoods like oak and maple tend to burn longer and hotter than softwoods like pine and spruce. Storage. Firewood should be stored in a dry, protected area to prevent it from getting wet and becoming unusable. A woodshed or covered storage area is ideal. Safety. When using firewood, it is important to follow basic safety guidelines, such as keeping flammable materials away from the fire and using a screen or door to prevent sparks from escaping. It is also important to use a fire extinguisher or water source nearby in case of emergency.